What do the eyes mean on Snapchat story? Let's find out. Hey guys, today I will be showing you guys what the eyes on the Snapchat story really mean. So, what you might be seeing on your Snapchat stories right now is that you see this eye icon and it has a number indicative with your eye icon as well. So, what does this exactly mean for your Snapchat story? Well, it's a very simple explanation. This is a new feature introduced by Snapchat, and what this basically enables you to do, it will show you how many people are rewatching your Snapchat story. So let's say if a person has rewatched your story like 50 or 60 times, even if they have rewatched it so many times, it will only show you that they rewatched your story. So there is the number that is beside that rewatch does not indicate how many times a specific person has rewatched your story. It just illustrates that they have rewatched your story. And if you want to see how many people have rewatched your story, you can't exactly do that, but you can only see if your friends or the people that are viewing your story have rewatched it or not. And you can also use a specific method to be able to see how long people have stayed on your story. So the eye emoji and the arrow, as well as the dot icon, will allow you to see how many times or how long this story has been rewatched. So you can't exactly see how many times a specific person has watched it, but you can only be indicated that people have rewatched your Snapchat story. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're better able to understand the new eyes icon that might be confusing a few people on their Snapchat stories, on your public stories, or even your private stories. But this is what it basically means, and I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.